Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rek here again, and in this video I'm gonna be showing how I connect the CC1101 and the nRF24 into the Cardputer and the StickC Plus2. My friend Pirata already has a video about this showing all the connections wire by wire, and we also have the schematics in Bruce's repository, so you can check and see the connections one by one. But in this video I'm going to be showing how I do this. So to start with the Cardputer, we don't have access to GPIO pins, so we have to come up with an idea, and we just check that we can retrieve the GPIO pins from the SD card here. And there is a board for that. It is the SD sniffer. So you connect in the SD slot just like an SD card, and you can plug the SD card in here, and you also get access to the GPIO pins. So we can use the same SPI connection, and this works for the CC1101. So to show this, let me remove the SD card. I'm not gonna be using this version because for this I need to use jumper pins, jumper wires like this, and connect one by one here and in the CC1101. So it's a lot of wires. So I came up with a board like this. So it is an SD card sniffer, but there is a plug here, slot here for the CC1101, and the Grove port here, and the connections are in the other side. So I can plug my SD card in here. I can take the Grove cable and connect here. I can plug the let me move down here. You can plug the CC1101 like this and connect into the SD like this. So we end up having something like this. And let's test it. Turn it on. Go to RF, config, module, and select CC1101 on SPI. And now we can scan and copy. And it is working. So you can see that it is receiving the signal. Okay, and you can see that the SD card is also working because we have the icon here showing that the SD card is mounted. So I can take the code here and I can save it into the SD card. Okay, so for the SD card, for the StickC Plus2, we have something very similar to this. Let me remove. Plug this into some module here and take my SD card back. Okay, let's put this aside. Take the CC1101. And for the StickC Plus2, we have this little guy here. So this is a proto board hat for the StickC Plus2 and C+1, and I bought this from M5 Stack, and I made the same thing. So inside here is a proto board like this, and you can make the connections in here. So you can take data from each pin here that goes in the StickC Plus2, and it's pretty much the same. I have here the Grove cable because there's no space for a Grove connector, so I had to solder the cable directly, and I have here the slot for the CC1101. So for the stick, we just need to plug this in here. And plug the Grove cable in the other side. And connect the CC1101 here. Let's check if it worked. So RF, config, RF module, and CC1101. Let me move this to the other side here. Let's check. Let me restart here. This should be here. Let's try again. Okay, CC1101 not found. Oh, it's in the other way. It's like this. Sorry, my mistake. Let's try again. Yeah, there we go. It was on the opposite side. It's not for the front, it's for the back. I need to write something here so I can remember the correct position. So let's test it. Scan and copy. Let's try the same thing. And it works. We can also test with the spectrum here. And you can see that it gets signal. Okay guys, this is a project originally created by my friend Incursio Hack. I'm gonna leave the link down below showing his project and the connections for this, but it makes connecting the CC1101 and the nRF24 because it has the same connections. You can just take one module off and plug the other, so it makes it much simpler, and you can take this and just carry around in your pocket or something, and once you need to connect you can just plug everything here. And this is a proto board, a proto hat from M5 Stack. Okay guys, that was all. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next video.